So I opened up my refrigerator and there's a spider on the shelf. So my first reaction is, get that thing out of there and kill it. But then I remember the refrigerator has cockroaches. Are you supposed to have cockroaches in your refrigerator? Well, I assume a spider in the refrigerator needs food, and wouldn't cockroaches be its food? So see, there's the spider, and I'm gonna leave it there because I'm hoping it will kill the cockroaches. Maybe it'll have babies and there'll be a million spiders in my refrigerator killing all the cockroaches. I don't know, but that's the thing for now. Okay, have a good night.